Well, today's video, today we want to talk about the new electrical parade in the sky. So this is something that just started over in Disneyland Paris, and I kind of wanted to talk about because of just how awesome it is and like what the possibilities could be if we get this in another theme park. So I'm kind of just doing clips here so I don't really get copyright strike by anyone gets upset that I'm taking their footage. But basically this is what it is. It's the electrical parade, but in the sky now. And as you can see, the drones are insane. They can wrap around the castle and then move away from it and stuff like that. And you just have all the classic kind of stuff here, including just multiple characters from the past that we all love, Pete's Dragon, just the electrical sky parade. Like, this is awesome. It's just awesome to see all this stuff, and I just wanted to get you guys' feedback here about stuff. Like, here's all the little bugs that used to be on the ground, now they get to fly in the sky. So like, my question to you guys is, what shows do you think would be enhanced? Like, do you think Watercolor would be the best, or something over at Disneyland using the Matterhorn, or even like other places where you have, of course, like bigger castles and stuff like that? Obviously we want to see what Tokyo would do with this technology and whatnot, but this is amazing on its own. I mean, seeing a boat that goes by, this would be great even at Disneyland. If they're a big cat, even with a small castle, I still think you can make it work, and stuff like this where you get to have smoke coming out of Elliot's mouth and stuff like that, or nose, just like in the parade. And it's just really awesome technology. So yeah, guys, leave your comments below. I'm gonna put a picture myself of what I would like to see, stuff like that. Just when do you guys want to see drones coming into the parks? Do you think that these are acceptable to take over fireworks? What's your opinion about drone shows and stuff like that? And what other places would you like to see? Marvel also has a drone show and whatnot over in Paris. So let me know what you guys, like what lands or what places you would think, because pretty much you could do it anywhere. You could do it in Pandora, you could do it anywhere because of the drones. Do you want to see a Star Wars drone show? Do you want to see just one for Avatar? Do you want to see one at DCA, Disneyland, Disney World, Animal Kingdom? Leave your ideas below, and thanks, and have a great day.